Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with joint pain, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that could make a real difference in your life: the foods you should avoid if you have joint pain. Joint health is crucial for maintaining a good quality of life, and what you eat plays a significant role in inflammation and pain levels. So, let's get into it. Make sure to stick around till the end for some surprising foods you might think are healthy but actually contribute to joint pain. Let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about why certain foods can exacerbate joint pain. Joint pain often results from inflammation, which can be triggered by what we consume. Foods that are high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and certain additives can lead to increased inflammation in the body. So, the goal is to minimize inflammation through dietary choices. Are you ready? Let's look at some foods you should definitely steer clear of. Number 1 on our list: sugary foods. Think soda, candy, pastries, basically anything with added sugar. Studies have shown that sugar can increase the production of inflammatory markers in the body. For example, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that high sugar intake is linked to higher levels of C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation. So, if you want to keep your joints happy, it's time to cut back on that sweet stuff. Next up, processed foods. These are often loaded with unhealthy fats, preservatives, and artificial additives. Fast food, frozen meals, and packaged snacks can lead to inflammation and weight gain, which further stresses your joints. Look for terms like hydrogenated oils or high fructose corn syrup on labels; those are big red flags. Instead, focus on whole foods that nourish your body. Number 3, fried foods. We all love that crispy texture, but foods like fried chicken, French fries, and donuts are often cooked in unhealthy oils that can promote inflammation. Additionally, frying can create harmful compounds like acrylamide, which is linked to inflammation and other health issues. Opt for baked or grilled options instead. Fourth on our list is dairy. For some people, dairy can trigger inflammation due to lactose or casein intolerance. If you notice that consuming milk, cheese, or yogurt seems to worsen your joint pain, you might want to consider alternatives like almond milk, coconut yogurt, or cashew cheese. Next up, red meat and processed meats. High levels of saturated fats found in red meat can promote inflammation. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli meats often contain preservatives that may also contribute to inflammatory responses. If you're a meat lover, consider switching to leaner cuts or incorporating more plant-based proteins like beans and lentils into your diet. Number 6, refined carbohydrates. Foods made from white flour, like white bread, pastries, and many types of pasta, can spike your blood sugar and trigger inflammation. Instead, opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat pasta, which are higher in fiber and nutrients. 7th on the list, alcohol. While a glass of wine might seem harmless, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to increased inflammation and may worsen joint pain. If you're going to indulge, moderation is key. Next, let's talk about nightshade vegetables. This includes tomatoes, eggplants, potatoes, and bell peppers. Some people report increased joint pain when consuming these foods, potentially due to alkaloids, which can affect inflammation. If you suspect nightshades might be a trigger for you, try eliminating them for a few weeks to see how your body responds. And finally, artificial sweeteners like aspartame. Some studies suggest that these can negatively impact gut health and inflammation, leading to potential joint pain. It's best to stick with natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. Alright, let's recap the foods to avoid if you're dealing with joint pain: sugary foods, processed foods, fried foods, dairy products, red and processed meats, refined carbs, alcohol, nightshade vegetables, and artificial sweeteners. Now, I know this sounds like a lot, but making small changes can significantly improve your joint health over time. Now, let's talk about what you can eat. Focus on anti-inflammatory foods, such as, first, leafy greens like spinach and kale. Second, fatty fish rich in omega-3s like salmon and sardines. Third, nuts and seeds, especially walnuts and flax seeds. Fourth, berries, which are packed with antioxidants. Fifth, whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. These foods can help combat inflammation and promote overall joint health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Have you noticed certain foods affecting your joint pain? Share your experiences in the comments below. And remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching and take care of those joints.